Welcome to 1109 1232 Ellis Street. We're hosting the open house today on Saturday, 12:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. It is southwest facing, great Lakeview and mountain view. Ellis Park is steel and concrete frame. This unit is 1 bedroom plus den and 1 bathroom. Built in 2020. Asking price is $580,000. Beautiful quartz countertop, high ceiling, kitchenette appliances. Here's the den. It fits a queen size bed, a full bath, and the master bedroom with Lakeview.